Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, all my friends. We are live from Brooklyn, the Bensonhurst Mall. We're gonna be walking around, and this is the big store. The big stores, couple store right here, and there's the parking lot. And I'm gonna explore you this, and there's the restaurant, and bank is there. There's a Best Buy store there, and there's the beach, which is called Benson Beach, and that's the match point, NYC match point. There's a playground. On the other side, that's the bike renting company. If you visit here and when you need a bike, you can rent one of them. And not too expensive. I don't know what the cost is, but it's okay. And you can go all the way long way in biking. So it's about 5 miles all the way to the end. I'm trying to not to shake. Something wrong with my hand. I'm shaking all the time. I hope you guys like the video. That's the school bus. And why they park it here? That's the ocean. The water. That's the car service. If you need a car. The car one. Look at the birds. You'll get there. Let's go to mall. People are here. They don't want to slow down. There's a stop sign here, and they don't want to stop. This is a pharmacy, CVS pharmacy. If you need the drugs, if you have a prescription, you come in here. There's a Target. It's very huge store. It's very huge store. See? Nice. Very big. And that's the parking lot. You park the car over here and you can come. Gonna shopping. All this Target. The all the way to the end. One Target store. They have about 35 alleys, lines, and you can go. The next one is the retail space available. Let's go. Other can, and if you this is for guys who collect empty cans, empty bottles. They bring it here and they deposit it here, and they get the money. Each can or each bottle is cost, I think 25 cents. It's a good idea, and people doing it for their own income. They still target. Yeah, that's the target. If you're gonna get out of here, and the people just watching. That's all the parking lot over here. If you come for shopping, you park the car, and then you go inside to the store and you make your shopping. That's the repo, real estate, a property buyer. You're going to sell or buy property, you come here, will help you. If you have your own money, or you can ask the bank or give you credit. This parking over here is only for disability, with van accessible. If you park the car over here, it will tow your car, and it's a $2,500 a ticket, fine. This parking here, this landing, is a regular parking. And this only for a store. And store guys who work there, who's a employee here, or owner, can park the car here. For a shopper, see the guy walking there? This is parking. There's another store. There's a pizza demo. If you want to buy pizza is can have a see. This store is a Best Buy store. If you want to buy electric product, TV, computer, you come here. And this is very used store. I don't know the open. See? Best Buy store. And they have almost 21 alley. The store hour is and that's the parking lot as well for them. See this car over here? This way, Best Buy. Call them Get Squad. Get Squad is if you buy the computer from here or TV or anything, the printer or anything, and it's broken, it's not working, you come here, you report it, come with your product, and they will take it from you. They will take the product from you and then go and leave it. And they will take this product to the company and fix it for you. This is all your garden. Halal food. There's a huge store. See all the trucks, and that's the Best Buy, and that's the oil run. Let's see what time they open. Let us know, I can go with this. Let me see. Maybe this one. Okay. I guess they have only. You don't have to come with the car or order through the window. Let's see. Store hour time is okay. They all start 10 o'clock. And this is the T-Mobile. Oh, this is the T-Mobile. And that is the oil garden over there. But all the same. Your safety. They say now it's open, but it's closed. And this is a storage. That's the Bell Parkway. That's the Harvey. Yeah, you see that the car just passed by? That's the TD Bank. And next to TD Bank, there's a Five Guys restaurant, a Starbucks cafe. Over here, every street, every road, they have a the road and the back line also as well. I'm carrying the bike. I'm with the bike. So I'm going to have to go walk on this line. There's the law. There's the law over here. You got to go on your own line. You cannot go biking up on the sidewalk or crosswalk. Up ahead, there's the exit to the highway. There's a same storage office. If you have if you're living here and you're moving, or you going somewhere flying, you come here, you rent the room over here for storage, and you leave your stuff in, and you go where you're going to until you turn back. I'm trying to go very slow to the video coming smooth. There's the Harbour Motor Inn. That's the hotels. That's the V Cafe. If you need coffee, tea, ice cream, go over here. That's the one straight hotel. You can say motel or hotel. If you're somewhere, if you're coming from somewhere, you tried, you just get up the exit. If you're in a Bell Parkway, you get up the exit 4, and you come here straight down by the mall, and you're gonna see Harbour Motel Inn, and you can get in the room for day or night, or it's up to you how long you want to stay. That's the restaurant, call them Crunch. So they have multiple stuff, and they also have a therapist there too. There's the bus. There's a bus stop over here too, D6. And this is the column Shore Parkway, Wellness, Testosterone, Hormone Replacement Therapy, and this is the telephone number you can call on. The next, this is a very huge store, very famous over here. Costco. First is the Costco, and second is the BJ. And they all the way from beginning, see the plaque? The entire block. From there to all the way, and that's all the cars going there. See, that's all road going to this big huge store. But they did not allow me inside to make the video. If you guys like this video, will you please like it, subscribe it, and share it. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day.